Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to create and use avatar on WhatsApp. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. To begin, open WhatsApp on your phone. Then tap on the three dots from the top right corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Here you will see the new feature, Avatar. If you do not see this, you need to update your WhatsApp to the latest version. Now tap on it. Then tap the Create Your Avatar button. Now tap Get Started. First choose a color of your skin you want for your avatar. Then tap on Next. Now you will be able to go through various stages where you select your hairstyle. Hair color, outfit, body shape, eye shape, eye color, nose shape, face line, eyewear, headwear, and many more. You can also try copying your facial features into your avatar by tapping the mirror icon from the right side of the screen. When you are happy with your selections, tap on Done from the top right corner. From the confirmation box, tap Save Changes. And your new avatar is now updated. Tap on Next. You can use the avatar as your profile photo. For this, tap on Create Profile Photo. Select any of these avatar poses for your profile photo. You can also choose a background. Then tap on the tick mark from the top right corner. And the avatar has been set as your profile photo. Now go to the chats list and open any conversation. Then tap on the sticker icon. In the avatar section, you will see your new avatar with various poses. Simply tap any of these, and it will be sent to your contact. So in this way, you can create and use avatar on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.